Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change avatar profile in Netflix. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to click on Netflix and then click on the profile that you want to change the avatar. Let's say what you want to do is you want to click on the edit button at the top right. Click on the pencil of the icon of the profile that you want to change. And then click on the pencil at the bottom right in the avatar profile. And here you will be able to choose any icons for your profile. And that is how you would change the profile for your icon in Netflix. If you found this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.